Hey folks, John with Alternate Arms, your friend in less than lethal self-defense. Well, not today. Today we're going after the bugs. Oh yeah, we're going after the bugs. All right. So today isn't going to be a less than lethal self-defense day. You can tell by the title what we're doing. But I want to let you know, first of all, guys, tomorrow night is the night. I finally have all the equipment in place. We're going to be doing our first Twitch stream, which is a review of the first SHOT Show video tomorrow night on the Twitch channel. I will drop a link down there to the Twitch channel. Make sure you're there. We're going to start at 6 p.m. Central Time. So 6 p.m. Central, that's when we're going to do it, our very first one, okay? So I want to see you guys there because I want to have some questions in there, and I want to get to know everybody a little bit better. That's what I'm shooting for, so. But you guys remember, right? Like, I don't know, 3-4 years ago, we did the bug assault videos, and they were awesome. They were so much fun. You know, in Texas in the summertime and sometimes in the early fall, we get a lot of flies. It just sucks. You just do. But we also get spiders. And the thing is that those original bug assaults would not kill a spider. We would try within, 2 or 3 inches and couldn't do it. But they say this one can. This is the bug assault 3.5 Widowmaker. Okay. Yes. It's a Widowmaker. Yeah, we can make all the jokes we want to about the Widowmaker. We're going to see what it actually does. But I'll give you guys a look at this. As you can see, they're actually advertising this pretty hard for killing spiders. Spiders are not easy to kill, guys. These things are kind of tough. But as you can see, it gives you a whole bunch of poisonous spider facts on here, which is just what I want to read on my Fly Swatter, as well as all the details on the launcher itself. Frequently asked questions, is it dangerous? No, unless you happen to be a spider. Yeah, okay, whatever, right? Let's crack this thing open and see what is actually in the box. Now, the original one, you did not have to have anything. I mean, literally, you would load it up with salt, and that's what it was, just regular old table salt, which is why you see a little salt container on the table here. So I want to see if this one is the same way it should be. All right, guys, check it out. I got to tell you, one thing about these guys, for being kind of a cheesy niche little thing, they do package them pretty well, dude. They're pretty cool looking. So, all right. So as you can see, we've got the same little sticker that came in the last one with a little bug. Looks like you get. You know what? Let's take this all out of the box here. That almost looks like a bipod or something. Yeah, look at that. It's a little foot. All right. Looks like you do get a shoulder strap. There you go. And I want to need my knife out again. I forgot about last time I opened this. They had these two. These are like super rigid little rubber straps. So to hold everything down. All right, there we go. And this one. And one more. Man, they cranked this thing in here, let me tell you. All right. I cannot wait. We're about to assault some bugs, let me tell you. Okay. Oh, the Widowmaker instruction manual. Guys, that is not even a leaflet. That's not even a leaflet. But I already know how to use this, so we're not even going to look at it. All right, so this is a stock. That's what that is. All right, so let's go ahead and put the stock on here. There we go. Take off this little sticker piece here. We don't need that. And as you can see, we got the Widowmaker. Oh, yeah. Guys, one thing about these guys, I love it. Their designs are pretty sick looking. They really are. That does not look like anything else I've seen before from these guys. All right. Going on the side here, you do have a safety button, which is kind of nice. The salt loads in from the top. Guys, let me open this up here real quick. There we go. And as you can see, it's just got a little plastic hopper right here. That's actually where you load the salt in. From there, it acts like a shotgun. Pull the trigger and fire. Wow, that was loud. All right, we did a test with one of the bug assaults before. And what we did is there was they had a newer version. It was a pistol. And I'll try to get links for all those guys and throw them down here for you. They're on Amazon. So it was a pistol, but it was CO2 powered. And it had the power to actually shoot through aluminum foil at close range. So it had some pretty good snap to it. But the thing about these is that they are good at extended ranges when you're killing insects because it's flying really, really fast in their tiny little particles. And as you can see as a bonus, this one actually does have a laser built into it. Hey, look at there. You guys see the laser? Look, it's a laser. So that is, and yes, it does stay on when you, click that button right there. Nice. We got to, is it sighted in? That's the question, right? Guess we'll find out. All right, so looks like, just want to make sure that everything else here is good. Push on, push off for the laser. You got a lanyard, and there are 3. Oh, the laser uses those silly little watch batteries, but we won't even get into that. All right, here's what I want to do. We don't have any bugs right now. There's just no insects right now because it's cold. So I've got this little kitty cat that I 3D printed. I want to see if we can actually knock over the little kitty cat from varying ranges, and we'll put that on Stumpy up there. All right, let's crack this open. Gonna pour in some of the salt here. All right, and this is just regular granulated table salt, guys, nothing special about it. By the way, make sure if you get one of these, you store it in a dry environment. We did have one where it wasn't, it was kind of moist, and boy, that salt solidified in there and just messed it up. We had to rinse it all out, so. All right, here we go, guys. Kitty cat. We're gonna pretend that's a big, nasty Godzilla spider, all right? Charging it. And we're gonna aim at the kitty cat. We're about a foot away here. Let's see if we get anything at all on him. And down goes the kitty cat. You guys see that stream of salt? That's what I'm talking about. It fires out really, really hard. All right, so let's test that from a little further away. All right, we're gonna go kitty cat here. And as you can see, we're about, 18 inches here, maybe, yep. Hit the kitty, but didn't knock him over. One more shot for his head. Here we go. And down goes the kitty cat. Bug assault, baby. All right, look, I know this is a funny video. You guys don't care about bug assault, but I got to tell you, guys, these are cheap and they're a lot of fun. So if you want to take a look at them, I'll throw a link down there in the description for you. They still have all 3 versions available. This is the most recent. We ran into these guys at SHOT Show, strangely enough, and they remembered us. They were like, oh, here, have one of these. So I promised them I'd do one. They're going to get a bug assault video. But guys, tomorrow night, 6 p.m., mark it. 6 p.m. Central Time, we're going to start the Twitch stream. I will have another video that will be dropping this week. Next week, I will be in Los Angeles all week long. And then the following week, we're going to be out of the country for a week. So there's going to be like a 14-day gap there. So I'm going to be trying to shoot a couple videos so that I can keep videos coming for both the patrons, the members, and you guys next week and then the following week until we return. And when we return, I have more big news, but I don't want to tell you about it till we get back because it might actually be here by then. So, yeah. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have bugs that need to be assaulted, you got it covered. Have a great night. Bye-bye.